Mommy, can I go outside?
Where do you want to go, Vini?
I want to go to Uncle Jack's house. He is in the garden today.
Oh, Uncle Jack? He loves plants.
Yes. He grows many vegetables. I want to see them.
Okay, you can go.
Thank you, Mommy. Hello, Uncle Jack.
Oh, hello, Vini. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. What are you doing?
I am watering my plants.
Watering the plants?
Yes. Plants need water every day to grow well.
Grow well, you mean become healthy and strong?
Exactly. Healthy and strong.
Can I help you?
Of course. Here, take this watering can.
Watering can?
Yes, this tool helps us give water to plants.
Okay, I will try.
Slowly, Vini. Not too much water.
Not too much. Okay. Uncle Jack, what are you doing now?
I am removing weeds.
Weeds?
Weeds are unwanted plants. They take food and water from good plants.
Oh. So weeds are bad plants?
Yes, they are not helpful.
Let me try.
Hold it from the root.
The root? The bottom part?
Yes, the part inside the soil.
Uncle Jack, what is that?
What do you see?
That big orange thing.
Ah. That is a pumpkin.
A pumpkin? It is so big. Very, very big.
Yes, it is a big pumpkin.
I have never seen such a big pumpkin.
You look surprised.
I am very surprised. How we can grow a big pumpkin, Uncle?
First, we plant a seed.
Okay.
Dig little soil, then put seeds in it. Now cover it gently with soil. Give small amount of water to it.
And then?
Then it grows slowly into a plant.
Slowly.
Yes, very slowly.
And then it becomes big like this?
Yes, with proper care.
What is proper care?
Proper care means giving the right things at the right time.
Right things, like water and sunlight?
Yes, and also nutrients.
Nutrients?
Nutrients are food for plants.
Food for plants?
Yes, plants also need food to grow.
Uncle Jack, why do you grow vegetables?
I grow them for fresh food.
Fresh food?
Yes, vegetables from the garden are healthy and clean. And I enjoy gardening.
You mean you feel happy doing it?
Exactly. It makes me relax.
I like your garden.
Thank you, Vini.
It is quiet and beautiful.
Nature is always peaceful.
Nature, you mean plants, trees, and soil?
Yes, everything outside. Vini, do you want a pumpkin?
Really? For me?
Yes, but not the big one.
Haha. It is too big.
Here's a small pumpkin for you.
It is so cute.
You can take it home.
Thank you, Uncle Jack. Today I learned many things.
What did you learn?
Plants need water, sunlight, and nutrients.
Very good.
And we must remove weeds.
Right.
And plants grow slowly with care.
Excellent, Vini, you learn very fast.
I feel happy now.
Why happy?
Because I learned something new.
Learning is always good.
Yes. Bye, Uncle Jack.
Bye, Vini.